Meaning of globe.
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 Globe. The term globe refers to the planet Earth when seen as a whole, and also to a spherical or rounded object. It can be used to describe various spherical objects such as a globe of the world, a snow globe, or a light bulb. The word has its origins in the Latin word globus, which means round or sphere. The concept of the Earth as a globe was first introduced by ancient Greek philosophers. Today, the term globe is commonly used in reference to the Earth, and is often used to represent ideas such as globalization and interconnectedness.